mi gente, guys, phase one. We're at phase one right now, which is demolition day. Typically, these type of jobs usually take 1 day, but there's only so much you can do in 1 day because in an 8-hour period, it's a lot of work, guys. So I got the whole team here. I got the guys doing the demo, we're doing the cleaning, we're doing the removal, and we're also doing the chimney liner all at the same time. And then tomorrow is the actual day that we're actually doing the installation. Guys, I want to show you, well, number one, I always tell everybody safety is first. This type of jobs, you have to be very careful. This boiler right here, what you're looking at, weighs about anywhere between 1,500, 2,000 pounds, and that's just give or take, if not more. Guys, I say that because this used to be an old coal boiler, and they converted from coal to oil. Now they converted from oil to gas. And the reason why I say that, because these old coal boilers are heavy duty. These things weren't made to stand in 1 year, 2 years. These old coal boilers were made and designed to last all of us, me and you put together, in many more years, hundreds of years. So guys, it's heavy duty work, it's hard work, it's muscle work, it's grunt work, and it's also dirty work. So somebody got to do it. We are the type of people that do this type of job. So if you need somebody, always call us and rely on us. But safety is first. So guys, we finished doing the demoing. Right now they're gonna get ready to get started on the oil tank. We're about to remove the oil tank, have everything prepped for tomorrow. Because guys, I'm a person of preparation. I'm a person that want to have everything nice and laid out. So guys, stay tuned, because this job is something you need to see and you understand why. Not only is there so much money, but why it's entail of this type of work, because it's a heavy duty job. Heavy duty process. Stay tuned. Wepa.